So the next thing you want to do is go to the transition tab on your CapCut, and then look for the transition you want to use. Type here mix fade right here. So you can drag it, just drag it and drop on the first transition between the first frame and the second frame, just like that. And then when you do that, click on the transition, and on the right here, just set, you can set the duration, but I'm gonna leave it at 3 seconds, right, or 4 seconds. Then next thing you want to do is click on apply to all. So this is going to apply the transition on all your frames. So if you play this video now, you're going to see it. Let's see. You can see the transition has been applied to all your scenes. So that's how you do it. That's how you apply transitions in between all your scenes.